How do you do an oil change on a log splitter? Well, let me show you. This is my CountyLine tractor supply special here with the Kohler SH series, 6.5 horsepower, 196 cc's, 25-ton log splitter. So in order to do the job, you're going to need a few things. So you're going to need a drain pan. You're going to need a funnel to get the new oil in, a rag, a 10 mil socket to pull the drain plug out. You're going to need some new AMSOIL synthetic small engine oil. Oh, and if you want to have a helper here, you can have my little junior officer oil. Say hi.
Hi.
You'll need a new crush washer for the drain plug and some parts cleaner to clean up your work area. Next, start up the engine, get the oil nice and hot. Now let's clean up our work area. Make sure you're wearing your iPro. All right, go ahead and clean it up. Clean up around that drain plug. All right, get around the fill port there. There we go. All right, good. And right there on that fill port. There you go, good. Give it a quick wipe. Now let's crack this drain plug. There we go. All right. And there goes dirty oil. Oh yeah. Now come over here and crack this to let things breathe a little bit better. Kind of like a pineapple can. There we go. While that all old oil drains out. Still dripping. Now with the ignition off, I like to give it a couple pulls just to try to get every last drop out. There we go. See? Coming out there a little bit better. Let's put on a new, get rid of this old crush washer and put on a new one. There we go. Reinstall your drain plug. Tighten this up. Let's tighten it up. There you go. Now let me clean up my mess. There you go. Oh yeah. And now we add 20 ounces of AMSOIL 100% synthetic commercial grade small engine oil. The part number, the product code is ASEQT. This is specifically designed from the ground up for hot commercial air-cooled small engines. It's fortified with zinc and designed to have the living you-know-what kicked out of it. It's guaranteed for up to 200 hours, meets a 1030 spec, as well as a straight 30, 530, as well for Honda, Kawasaki, Kohler, you name it. My landscape clients absolutely love this. With an AMSOIL filter and some of the bigger zero turns, they're safely changing oil at 300 engine hours. They've been using our oil analysis program to prove we can go that long, to keep their equipment out there longer, making money with less downtime. My helper's back, and for this engine we need 20 ounces, 20 fluid ounces. All right, go ahead, pour it nice and slow. There we go. You hear it? Ah, liquid gold.
Do you want me to pour it all?
Yep, don't. Yep, pour it in the funnel.
All of it?
Slow, slow. Let it get in there. There you go. Yes.
Just pour a lot out.
Yep, we got to slowly work. It's in that fill port is in a weird spot. There we go. All right, yep, and stick that in there and let it drip. Perfect, we'll get every last drop out. So I filled this up with another gallon container of synthetic small engine oil to exactly 20 ounces. So it was perfect. All right, take out your funnel and put your fill cap back on, your dipstick. There we go, just snug that up, nice job. All right, let's start it up and see how it runs. Sounds great to me. To learn more about better protecting your small engine with AMSOIL 100% synthetic, simply click on any of my links. It has my referral number baked into it, or visit our website, officeroil.com. When you click on my website link or visit my website or click on any of my links, it helps support these little monsters down here. Garrett, what are you doing? Garrett, what do you want to tell them?
See you on the next Fighting Friction video.
Thanks for watching.